Hello everyone, so today I felt really pooky and cutesy, so I wanted to do this pink makeup look. So I'm using this Hilary Rhoda Power of Blur primer, and then I'm using this Inside Cosmetics concealer palette and using this orange shade. I will cover my hyperpigmentation. Next, I'm going to be using this Olivia. Ooh, look at my mehendi. Isn't it pretty? I did it myself. Anyways, I'm going to be using this Olivia makeup stick as my concealer, and I'm going to be applying it over the orange color corrector. Let's blend it with a beauty blender. Next, I'll be using foundation. So for the application, I will be applying it on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to use a beauty blender to pick it up and then dab it on my face. I'm not going to use the product directly. I'm going to use it in this way and slowly build up the coverage. Now I will be setting the face with compact powder. I will be contouring my nose a little bit, so I'm using this Inside Cosmetics concealer palette and taking this contour shade and just lightly contouring my nose. Next, I'm picking these two shades from the Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette and just applying it over that contour. I'm going to use this pink blush as my eyeshadow. I'm just going to pick it up with a fluffy brush and apply it all over the eyelid. Next, with a flat brush, I will be applying it under my eyes with the same blush that I use for the lid. Next, I'll be using this pink shimmery shade and apply it on the center of the lid and just blend it lightly. Next, I will be taking this very light shade and drawing an arc on the inner parts of my eyes, just like that. Now I'm going to use a shimmer eyeshadow and apply it on the inner corners. Now I will be doing my eyeliner. Now I will curl my lashes and then apply mascara. I'm using Blue Heaven mascara. First, I'll apply it over my eyelashes first and then just do it normally under my lashes. Now let's apply blush. Blush is literally my favorite part of the makeup. Let me know yours. What is your favorite part of the makeup? Now let's highlight. So highlighting is also one of my favorite parts of doing makeup. I'm going to be using this lip liner to just line my lips. Now I'm going to be using this light pink shade and apply it on the middle parts of my lips. Now I'm going to take this another pink shade and apply it over the entire thing and just blend it lightly. Now I'm going to be applying gloss. And we're done.